Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Hair by Sumonya, where I'll be showing you tricks and hacks on how to easily do hair. And for today's tutorial, we are going to do invisible locks using Brazilian wool. Kindly subscribe, like and share because I know we all need this. This is exactly what you'll be needing: a piece of Brazilian wool, a comb, parting comb and a crochet, not to forget the dummy. My first step is to confirm whichever length my client wants, and then I measure the Brazilian wool to make sure it's a bit longer than what she really wants. The extra allowance on the wool will be for making knots. You can do the cutting alone, but it's much better if you get someone else to help you. After that, you just get your scissors and cut them. When it comes to parting your client's hair, make sure you know the size she wants, maybe small, large or medium, but for today, we're doing medium size. To anyone that really wants to learn how to part hair, kindly visit my last video. I'm so sure you will learn. The first thing to do after parting your first box is dividing it into two. After dividing it into two, you make sure you've done like sleepy loose matutas. Braid it down, and remember at this point you've still not added any hair extensions. It's purely my client's hair, and also I'll be giving a reason as to why I always do these matutas. So we repeat the same step for the second and third braid and also the rest of the head. When it comes to extensions, we have Brazilian wool, which is a well-defined thread in form of a braid. I hope you can see that. So I always take two pieces each, and when I'm crocheting, I take a piece per braid, a piece per matuta. Can you see that? The matutas help in holding the Brazilian wool, which enhances firm grip and neatness of the braids while plaiting. And sometimes people can do it without the matutas, so it's still a choice. That's why I told you it's a hack. I forgot to mention the wax before, but this is where it comes in. So I'm supposed to apply the wax on the braid to enhance neatness, sleekness, and also a firm and neat grip. Make sure one braid has two matutas, so I must apply on both and make sure that when I'm rolling them, they're facing one direction. Like for these ones, they're all facing on the left direction. When it comes to twisting, for it to be like a whole braid, you have to make sure that you've twisted the opposite direction as the one you rolled. This also plays a very big part in firm grip and neatness. The same is done for the second braid. You first apply wax, you roll the two matutas to the same direction, and when you start twisting, make sure you're twisting to the opposite direction. Depending on the kind of thickness you want, make sure you're adding extensions while plaiting down the hair. Wow, you finally got to the end. Congratulations, girl. I believe you've learned a lot and you will actually put it into practice. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, kindly give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Just subscribing, liking and sharing. I hope you've seen how good it has turned out. Make sure you visit again to see a tutorial on how to do knot on invisible locks. Let's meet in my next video, and may God bless you. Bye bye.